Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Jooan smart camera, Wi-Fi camera, and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If your camera will not connect to Wi-Fi or will not sync or pair with your devices, or if it's not working or not turning on or any kind of troubleshooting issues that you're having, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason is if you want to set this camera up on a new Wi-Fi network or in a new place and you just want to get a fresh start, a restoration to the factory default settings is a good step. Now, this is very easy to do. You just need to find the reset button, which is a little bit hidden on here, but all you need to do is this lens rotates. It needs to come up. If you slide it up, that will reveal down here at the bottom of the lens sphere, next to where you put the SD card in, a small button. You'll just press and hold that button for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, the camera will reinitialize in its factory default settings.